Hey everyone, this is Alice from Alice Wonder World. Today I'm going to introduce to you how to buy Wonderland TIME Token and stack them when you're outside of the US. First, because I'm in New Zealand, so I'll use Easy Crypto to buy my Avalanche token since TIME Token is on Avalanche network. Then I'm going to access my Avalanche Wallet to receive the Avalanche token from Easy Crypto. As you can see, we can either create or access Avalanche Wallet, and there's 4 ways to access your Avalanche Wallet. So once you launch your Avalanche Wallet, copy the wallet address, and then go to Easy Crypto and change the token to Avalanche token. And the minimum purchase from Easy Crypto is 100 New Zealand dollars. Once you enter the amount, click Buy Now, and it should give you to the transaction page where you paste your delivery address from your Avalanche wallet. And there are 3 payment methods for Easy Crypto, so just pick one that suits you the most. And then I choose pay account to account because it's low fee. And voila! Congrats! You purchased your first 100 NZD Avalanche token. So now we're just waiting for it to process, and it should take a couple of minutes. Then let's go to Wonderland app and enter the app. And we can see there's a option where it asks you to connect to wallet. So I use MetaMask wallet, but you can use Wallet Connect if you want. And make sure it's in the right network, so Avalanche network. Once you got to the stacking page, you can then click on Time and buy on Trader Joe, so you can swap your Avalanche tokens to Time token. Just click on Understand and continue. So you can see I own 1 AVAX already in my wallet, so I'm going to wait for the transaction to happen, and that takes a couple of minutes. So once that has been complete, we can then do some changes on Avalanche network. You first go to Crosschain, and you basically change the source from X to C chain. This converted to the network that matches your MetaMask wallet. So that will cost a little bit of fee, but it's very little compared to the value you're going to get through Wonderland token. So once you transferred from your X chain to C chain, you can then go to Send and type in your MetaMask wallet and make sure that you click on C chain. So let's go back to Trader Joe and copy your wallet address and paste it in the address you want to receive your token. And press confirm once you've verified your address. And there will be some gas fee involved as well. So send the transaction and wait for it to load on Trader Joe. So just take a couple of seconds, and then voila, it's now transferred. So you can see your balance change to 1.7. So then we type in 1.5. So I leave some Avalanche token inside my wallet to pay for the gas fee once we stack the token. So please make sure you don't hit the maximum, because then you have to get more Avalanche token in order to stack your token on Wonderland app. So once that's done, you can check on your wallet and you can see it's pending. So you can speed it up, but I believe it will cost more money. So let's just wait for a couple of seconds, and it should transfer from AVAX into Time token, which you're going to stack into Wonderland. So now we got the Time token ready. Let's go back to the app, and then let's refresh the page and click Stack and wait for your token to be stacked on the Wonderland app. So hey, we can see it's transferred successfully, and now you got your Time token stacked to make some passive income for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot. And also, if you want to learn how to add Avalanche network on MetaMask, comment below and I will do another video on it. Cheers guys, until next time.